Topa, what's your ETA?
Just take off from the base. Equator.
What are you doing? Take demands, na?
FIB, are you here? Any FIB? Did you take demands, guys? Did you negotiate? Anyone? There's 0 hostages, I guess.
Waste. Hello, Waste.
Yeah, Marco.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Marco, go take demands. Go FIB, go take demands. LSPD, go
Do
with
we
them.
enter or not?
LSPD, go with them.
Okay.
Someone,
Just go and just see what the
guys,
situation.
just enter.
Just let us know what the situation. Thank you. Guys, just wait for the demands, and if the demands are given, then only we can do anything. Just wait.
Beast, we have to fire or not?
No, wait.
Let's go, guys. It's like, no. We keep on standing.
Guys, start shooting, start shooting, start shooting.
Start shooting.
Get cover, get cover, get cover. Oh my god.
Nice. Easy go. Shooting from out of the perimeter. Idiot motherfucker. Shooting out of the perimeter. Easy go, everyone. Easy go, guys. Easy. Come inside. OS is picking. Come inside, or else you will get punished. Or else go out of the perimeter. You cannot stand at the borders. You know that? Guys, are you fucking stupid idiot motherfucker? Stop.